All right, this review is for this Blackstone 28-inch griddle. I've had this thing for a couple of months now, and I've got a chance to really try it out. I love this thing. I do have it in my shop right now. I just got done cooking some hamburgers on it not too long ago, and I had cleaned it right before and re-seasoned it, and so I just got it cleaned up from cooking on it. I wanted to use it for a little bit before I did this review. It's got a shelf underneath. You can see I bought the accessory kit to go with it. It's got the cleaning stone and the pads and the grease catcher pans. This thing is awesome. And it doesn't use a lot of propane. There's the grease catcher. It just hooks in the back. It's got a little hook on the back of it. You can just pull this pan out when it gets full and discard it. Pretty easy to keep clean. I love this thing. We use it all the time. Actually, a friend bought it for me, and one of the best things that I've owned. It's got the lip on the front of it, so if you're cooking eggs and stuff, the only thing you got to watch for is back here, because this does go down to go into the drip pan back there. But it's large cooking surface. It's great. It also comes with this cover. I'll show you that. It just sits on the top of it once you're done with it. Sits there, keeps it nice and clean for you. It also has, it's got hooks on it, so you can do it like that. I don't know that I would do it if you're cooking on high, because I think it would get too hot and end up peeling the paint up here, but I don't know. I've never tried it because I just take it off and set it over to the side on my table. The only thing I wish it did have was one more table, but it's got a handle over here where I keep my tongs hung. And then it's got this slot that you can put utensils in also. It's a little dirty right now. Like I said, I just got done cooking on it, and it's just now getting cooled down, so. Anyways, great product. Highly recommend it. It is awesome. I love it. It's 2-burner. It heats pretty even across there. I'll light it right now so I can see if I can show you. Got the automatic or the push button igniter. If you can see in there, see the flame. See the flame in there. I think it heats in a, I'm gonna take that off because I just put the cover back on it. I don't want that to get too hot. I think it heats kind of in a crisscross pattern, and it's got burners on the sides and then a crisscross, so it heats really even, and I really like it. It's awesome. You can cook a whole breakfast or a whole bunch of people on it, or a bunch of hamburgers. You could probably fit, I'm gonna guess 40 or 50 hamburgers on it at once. But that's it. Highly recommend it.